feel like this. And then like a photo hole.
Yo, there's some masking tape on outs. Get it?
Hold on.
Rider, bust you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, I'm mask off face.
Yeah, so this video we will be installing my my lip, and I bought side markers that I'm finally gonna install. And yeah, we'll go from there and see how everything goes. You know, you'll see it soon. Oh, I hope you like the shirt too. Fucking, So it's the word, bro. You doing everything. I'm watching. I don't work on cars anymore.
You real funny, bro.
Oh, I gotta answer this real quick.
I think this is how it goes.
Like, yeah, like against it. Oh, bro, that's gonna look so fire, kid. I just hope I don't three-piece it on the highway. If I three-piece this lip on the highway, shout out to Roque.
I want to raise up the car.
Oh yeah, okay. Are good?
Yeah.
You
Yo,
locked it.
tell me if it looks good like this.
I locked it on the lip.
That's fine.
You gotta be safe. It looks great, bro, because there's no gap. Let go. Let go.
No, because it's gonna come down.
Let go.
See?
Still.
And I had it perfectly.
That was perfect. It's still perfect.
That's the one we needed to get it started. You want to put another one right here?
Wherever you need. Wherever you need, honey.
Gay!
What? Yo, it's gonna avoid my warranty, bro.
Boom, right there.
Alright, so that's in.
For the meantime.
We're gonna put more screws because, you know, we don't want it flying off. Savage. You wanna do this one?
This one first, because you need to put that in here, remember?
Yeah, you're right. Stop yelling, bro. You ain't gotta yell at me. You're so aggressive sometimes. We still gotta make sure the spacing is right, though.
Yeah, that's why.
Forward.
That's why I only put 2 screws in for now.
Yeah. No, I know. You don't have to yell at me, bro. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. You're so mean to me sometimes, bro. I don't know why.
Heck.
I hope this doesn't come off when I wash my car, bro. If I wash my car and this goes flying, bro, I'm leaving it in the car wash. I don't care. Such an easy installation, bro. Basic boys. Unreal. What?
Do you want to put like one right here, one right here?
I just want something that's
Huh?
I mean,
Just to secure a little bit.
it's pretty secure, bro.
We could even put the little ones. The ones that.
Should we?
Yeah.
The one I gave you?
Yeah.
I don't know what you did with.
Yeah, right here. I'll go grab
A screw gun? You have a screw gun too?
Nope.
You don't?
Nope.
I do.
Yeah, but it's in the car. Alright, cool. Alright. Just screw them in, right? That's as far as they go. Want me to keep going?
That extra fire, you feel me? You never know. We out here hacks. That's what we gotta do. Yeah, I'm gonna really mess them up when they see this, bro.
Ooh.
Anyone, they're like, yo, when'd you get this lit? I'm like, you know, came in fire. Shout out to the homie Chewy.
Yeah.
I would drop his Instagram name. Follow him. He gave me the lit for free, so he
I'm
loaded.
gonna put a couple more screws right here, just to be safe, because
You just like making holes, bro.
huh?
You just want to make more holes.
No, not really. I just wanted not to fly off like roll case.
It's on there, bro.
Think so?
It's probably the most secure lip I've ever had in my life. Every other lip I get, sketchy. Sketchy. Yeah. Shout out to Chewy for putting me on with the lip. And then he also told me where to get my side markers from. And I got another upgrade coming, but not yet. In a few. Coming to a car near you.
There you go.
Yeah.
I feel like this middle piece is gonna go zoom.
What if we put something like right here?
That's not the lip. That's the problem.
You right.
This is the lip right here. Let me put it like right here.
And then maybe another one right there or something.
You got two more, but you might as well just
Right? On all the corners.
Yeah.
So it's like extra.
extra.
This one's like sketchy anyway, so. Boom. No more extra.
Okay. Alright.
I just popped it off because I thought I knew what I was doing.
Look at that there. Orange right now. Won't be orange once we're done. Yo, your big ass head is blocking it.
Okay, bro, I'm trying to. Alright. Bet.
Trying to get some content over here, you feel me?
I don't even know how to take it out, bro.
Nice. Alright.
I wish I knew what I was doing. Alright. Go ahead.
Out.
Side markers out. I'm gonna be in your personal space like you were in mine.
Okay.
Ooh, already took the side marker off.
Hey, black.
Boom. These are the other side markers that I'm putting in. They're like a amber something, like I don't know, smoked out ones. Yeah.
What the fuck?
The main men's around here, B.
Oh, it's in now. After like what, 4 tries?
4 or 5. 3 of the tries are me.
Wow. It looks like you don't got nothing there. Matches the paint somewhat. You got the gun with you?
Huh?
The screw gun?
Yeah, I just gotta make sure it's lined up first.
Look at that lip. Ooh. Ow.
Now that's all fully installed.
Okay. Alright. Got the tools right there that we were using. Alright. Looking nice. Well, you guys will see a little demonstration outside once we get outside.
So that's the end result. Got the sequential. It looks fire, bro. Got black on black. Put the lip in. Try not to get my license plate in it, but probably in there anyway. Now I just need to get headlights, possibly tail lights, and I'll be happy with how it looks on the outside. Yeah, with the lippy, it still looks nice though. Looks more aggressive. Like I said, shout out Chewy, loyal.
Oh, let's go.
I'm recording you, bro.
Oh, bitch.
So what do you think, bro?
Bro, looks good. It looks nice. You just need to put some springs or some coilovers now.
Yeah, that wheel gap, intense.
Yeah.
I don't know if you see it, but intense, you know. But
It looks so much better.
so I like those. I just like how the sequential looks, man. Their lip does make it look more aggressive.
Yeah.
Sockeye boys all day. Ha 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 ha. I don't care.